If you have detached both Joy-Cons from Nintendo Switch 2 and you have set them up to be two separate controllers, in order to make them as one again, in order to use both of them again as just a one controller, what you can do is you can simply attach them back to the console like this, and that works just fine. As you can see, we can use them again just like before. If you want to, you can also do this without attaching them back to the console. More precisely, we need to go to the controllers over here. So we're gonna open controllers, go to change grip / order, and now what you need to do is simply press left and right button at the same time. There we go. So we're gonna press again. Once you see both Joy-Cons together in the first slot, then you should be able to just go back and you can use them again just as one controller. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.